Hello, Hickory Hills parents. My name is Kelly Wallace, and I'm the Technology Education or PLTW teacher, which stands for Project Lead the Way. Hope everyone is doing well. I just wanted to give you a brief view of how awesome our classroom is, where all of our amazing work will take place. Technology education has many different topics. I'm going to give you a brief description of each one, kind of what we'll be doing, and I'm going to kind of pan the camera around and let you see the room a little bit. The topics that we have for Tech Ed include app creators, which is a brand new one this year. Kids get to create an app on their MIT App Inventor online, and it shows up on their phone, so I'm really excited about that one. Another one is alternative energy, computer-aided drafting, computer graphics and animation, digital manufacturing, which includes a 3D printer, electricity, electronics, energy and power, which we have two working motors in here that students get to tear down and recognize all the parts inside of it, put it back together, which is a challenge. Flight technology, students get to build a rocket. We get to go outside, shoot them off, have rocket launching competitions, which is really exciting. Information technology, lasers, material processing. We do still have a little mini shop here where students get to work on different projects, plastic and wood, different projects like that. Mechanisms, pneumatics, research and development, which is popular. They get to build a CO2 race car, and we have race competitions. They really enjoy that one. Robotics, we have a robot that they program. They do coding on the robot and have a different pattern that they follow within the classroom, which is pretty exciting when it gets to running all around the room. Structural engineering, they have different bridge designs, and we have competition as far as how much weight they hold. And virtual architecture. That's just a little rundown of the topics that I have, and I'm just going to kind of pan around so you can kind of see the room a little bit, and hope you can see a little bit of it. It is a huge classroom, and I've got plenty of room to work. Very nice facility, all brand new computers, and pan around a little bit more so you can see digital manufacturing with the 3D printer back over in the corner. And I don't know if you can see it yet or not, but our engines here on the end where students can tear those down and identify all the parts and pieces. So lots to do, lots of exciting things happening here. So thanks for taking a tour with me. Have a great afternoon.